So I figured I'd make another video since I'm having all kinds of problems with this, just to kind of give everybody a heads up if you're trying to get these Mopar bearings. Like I said before, the Mopar bearings have to be they're graded. There's A, B, and C. There's undersized, nominal, and oversized, and each journal is different. Mine happen to be all the A size, so I'm trying to hunt these special bearings down. The first shipment I got, they were all damaged except for one. Managed to make it through, so they sent me 5 more. These are also all damaged, every last single bearing. The packaging, the bearings can just flop around in there, and I mean, you can just see when I open this box that it's damaged. None of that's good. So I decided to maybe look elsewhere, thinking that maybe just the company I was getting these from were no good. So I called the Dodge dealer. They had some in stock. They went to theirs. I asked them to open the box. All theirs were also damaged. So then I called Chrysler, and they didn't know what to do. So they recommended I call quality control about the type of packaging, because obviously it's the box that it's in that's causing the damage. There's just no way to protect those bearings if this gets moved around, shipped, rolled around, whatever. So now I'm calling another company, and they're checking the bearings out for me. So it's turned into a really long scavenger hunt. I'm not sure what to do next. If anybody has suggestions, I'm all ears. I'm about ready to the point to just take the crank back to the machine shop and just have him grind it down and match bearings to it, like just go 10 under or something like that. I don't know, but got all the parts I need to build the engine. I just need main bearings that aren't damaged. So I hope this helps if you're trying to hunt down these special bearings. If you find some that aren't damaged, definitely let me know, because I'm in the market for some. All right, until next time.